Right, so we are going to go on to BYJUS Future School activities. So I'm just going to show you what I'm gonna go on to. So I'm going to go on to my projects, and then let's do, okay, I haven't done a few things, so let's do the binary string. So I'm just gonna put my full screen on, move it around like that. Perfect. Okay, and now let's just start the project. Press and start project, then press view code. Okay, I have to remix that. Alright, you may think this isn't working at all, but look, so if you don't know, 0 is equal to off and 1 is equal to on. So if I put 0, which I'm going to put now, 16, because yeah, you'll see, and then I press 1, look, a 0 is going to be black. So, and then 1 is going to be off, so it won't work. It won't like turn on anything, it won't become black. So if I'm going to put 0 on 2 rows, then on the third row I'm also going to put 0 too, like that. And just, oh whoops, sorry, I don't think you guys saw that. Let me just move the screen. There. Alright. Let's run that code. Yeah, see? It comes up like that. Then I'm going to do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's see what that'll do. Woo! Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, except there's going to be one more 1, so like that. 0, 0, 0, 0. Perfect. Let's see how what's that going to do. Alright, it's working. So I'm going to do that continuously. So I'm going to just pause the record for a sec. Okay, that hasn't worked out quite as I expected, but we'll just submit this. Okay, so I'll Command C that. Oh my god. Alright, let's go to this and just, let me move that. Okay. Command V and submit project. It was good. No, I'm not going to publish it. Okay, go to my projects. So, oops, sorry. Let's see. I just have to do this one. Okay. Alright, so on this, I have to do it. Okay. Oh no, I have to start project. We will do this on my next video, but bye for now.